Hi everybody. Welcome. My name is Dr. Rini Sharma. I'm the academic head for medical courses at Academically. And today I welcome Dr. Ojaswini with us. She has been a student and she recently cleared her AMC 1 exam. And she's been very kind enough to come here and share her views and guidance and strategies for anybody who's preparing for the upcoming exam. So, Dr. Ojaswini, first of all, I would like to congratulate you. Many congratulations. So tell us how you're feeling about it.
Yeah, it's feeling great, ma'am.
Okay. So, Dr. Jaswini, tell us something about yourself. When did you start preparing, and how did you come to know about Academically?
Yeah, ma'am, I started to prepare on September. I purchased Academically on August, but sincerely I started to prepare on September itself, and I came to know Academically through online, like ads. Yeah.
Okay. So, what was your preparation strategy like? Were you just studying, or were you working at the same time?
No, ma'am. Actually, I'm FMG graduate. Graduated like Osh State University, Kyrgyzstan, and I cleared FMG on June 2024. And subsequently, I started to prepare AMC. And only it takes 4 to 5 months for me to clear this exam. And I don't have any clinical experience. That's the main thing.
Okay.
Right now, after clearing this exam, right now I'm in the internship. Yeah.
Okay. So you just started your internship.
Yeah. Yes. Before internship, I gave this exam.
Okay, so you were fully dedicating your time for the AMC preparation, I would say.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. 5 months I have dedicated.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, Dr. Jaswini, tell us, were you attending our live lectures or recorded lectures?
Live lectures and recording lectures. Both I used to see that.
Both you used to see.
Yeah.
Okay. And how did they help you? Were you making were the notes, you were making notes out of them, or you were referring to some books simultaneously? Just for the listeners who are new to this process, how would you guide them?
Actually, ma'am, I didn't went any other sources. Only I have gone through only the Academically notes. Actually, the notes are very vast, but I used to make my own notes. After once I did my lectures, I used to take 3 or 4 pages, for the pediatrics, 11 pages. I used to make a short notes, and those immunization schedules, the school exclusion criteria, I used to make a sticky notes on the wall. So for the hard things or stuff like this, I used to make a sticky notes. Rest I used to study.
Okay. And how about the mocks? Did you attempt the mocks while you were doing the individual subjects? What was the approach like?
Yeah, first I used to do for all individual subjects. Then with all subjects, then I Academically have provided the adaptive quiz. Yeah,
yes, we have.
took that. Yeah.
So you did that. Okay. And how about the recall sessions? Were you able to attend our recall sessions, and did you find them useful?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. It's useful. Recall is also the another way to, it's a key for this exam. Yeah,
Okay.
we have to go through that recalls.
Okay, so I was just trying to take your feedback for the recall session, and tell us what about Blue Book and the Red Book? Did you go through them, or?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. I have gone through the blue book. It's very useful. I have read it for 2 to 3 times, but I didn't read red book or white book. Nothing, anything else. Only the blue book. It's helpful for me, and I have gone through all the Amidex questions twice or thrice, because it's very I feel little difficult for me to understand for
Sure.
Particular subject.
Yeah.
So it takes me a lot time taking, and
Yes.
it's okay. By day it has been improved.
Yeah, Dr. Jaswini, I would agree. I think the key strategy to clear any exam is to clear your concepts. So I
Yeah.
think you're trying to emphasize over here that the students should, give it an additional read if they want to clear their concepts.
Yeah, actually, by like every like each topic have to take only the key points like investigation, diagnosis. That's it. That's all. And by reading all those 5, 6, 10 lines, it's not be useful for us.
Yeah.
Oh,
In depth,
yeah,
you mean to say like in depth analysis of the topic, this is what you
yeah.
did understand?
But the topic should be clear.
Yes.
No need, like it's not to be like by heart. Should be clear like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we also had like a tips and tricks session with one of our faculties, which we arranged, for our students who
Mhm.
were writing the exam. So, did you attend that?
Um, I I didn't. I guess.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
No worries. I was
I'm
just
sorry.
trying to, understand if you had any, what did you feel about that session? So, doctor, like any fresher, like who is now new to this process, and if they come up to you and they ask, how should I go about it? Should I like read the subject and the notes first, and then do the mocks, and then maybe revise them, or do the book first? So, what strategy would you like to share with them?
First, according to my opinion, first we have to read the concepts like books, then we have to go for the marks because without knowing the concepts, we can't able to proceed with the marks, right?
True,
Yeah,
true.
MCQs.
Yes,
Yeah. So
yeah,
it's better.
sure. And
Yeah.
Dr. Jaswini, tell us now, going ahead, how is your journey looking ahead? Now you said like you are starting with your internship. Then have you made any plans that would you be giving AMC to, or like now for now you are just still strategizing?
Yeah, actually, my plan is to prepare AMC2 during my internship. Actually, I planned, as I said before, after clearing the FMG1, my plan to prepare the AMC1 before I entering the internship. Anyhow, I have to clear. That's my target. By God's grace, I achieved that. And during this internship, I will be preparing for this AMC part 2 also.
Okay,
Yeah.
we wish you very good luck with your MC2
Oh,
preparation. And thank you so much for sharing your insight. And we, academically as a team, we are very proud that we were able to assist you and we were able to guide you through your journey. So
thank
thank you so much, Dr. Jaswini, and we wish you all the very
thank
best.
you. Okay, doctor. Thank you so much.